Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to open a pen cap with one hand. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional tutorial video. As you can see right here, I have a pen with a cap on it. And for one reason or another, you might want to or need to open a pen cap with one hand. Sometimes your one hand is occupied and you have to get the cap off the pen in order to use the pen to write. So what you can do is open it with one hand, okay? It's really easy to do. So as you can see, I'm going to push this pen cap on there nice and firmly. I'm pushing it on there. It is on there basically, as firmly as I can push it on there within reason. I'm going to give it one last push. Okay, it's on there. So what you're going to do is very simple. In one hand, you're going to grab the pen. So let's say you have the pen like this. You're going to grab the pen and you're going to maneuver it so that it is being held with these three fingers, and these two fingers right over here, your thumb and your index finger, can put pressure on the cap. So these three fingers are gripping the pen over here, and these two fingers are gripping the cap. I'm going to bring my fingers a little bit higher. So as you can see, these three fingers right here are gripping the pen, and these two fingers are on the cap. Okay? I'm going to grip the cap like this with those two fingers, and I'm going to remove this middle finger just to sort of give myself a little bit more space and a little bit more leverage, and I'm going to use these two fingers to pull away. So as you can see right here, they're close together. These two fingers gripping the cap, and these essentially two fingers that are still holding the pen are close together. So we started like this, then I move the middle finger out of the way, and I bring them close together. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pinch the cap, and I'm going to separate the two groups of fingers, the ones that are on the cap from the ones that are on the pen over here. So I'm going to separate them just like that. And I'm going to slide my other fingers up, grip the pen again, slide the cap off even more. Check that out. I have now removed the cap and taken off the cap and opened the cap of this pen just using one hand. It's literally that simple. And then you can go place the cap to the side. So let's say I was going to place it on a table, and then I can take the pen and I can write with the pen. Literally, it's that easy. I'll show you again in a faster motion. That cap is on there nice and firmly, okay? So as you can see, I have these three fingers on the pen, these two fingers on the cap, okay? And now from these three fingers being on the pen and these two fingers on the cap, I'm going to remove my middle finger, and I'm going to slide them closer together like that. And now I'm going to get a firm grip of the cap and a firm grip on the pen, and I'm going to separate the groups of fingers. Just like that. Slide these fingers up, separate them again. Slide them up, separate them again. As you can see, you can place the cap down, and we can now write with the pen, and we've done it all just with one hand. It's literally that simple. It's that easy, and hopefully you've enjoyed this video tutorial. I tried to keep it short, sweet, and straight to the point. I hope you found it educational and entertaining at the same time. And yeah, I got nothing else to say, so we're going to roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.